Good morning, dear students. Once again, I proceed your class. Students, in previous video, I discussed questions of exercise 14A of Arsenal book from 1 to 6 number question. Students, today I proceed the problems and today I am going to solve here question number 7 to all questions to whole of exercise 14A. So students, carefully watch this video and understand each term. Students, in this video, one main thing will be discussed: how will you draw a parallel line? How will you draw a parallel line to given line? Students, this term is accepted in part 1 video. Students, here question number 7 is written on your board. Here on the board, question is written: draw a line AB, take a point P outside it. Draw a line passing through P and perpendicular to the AB. This type of questions is already discussed in previous video, that means part 1 video. Students, if you didn't watch that video, you can watch that video, goes in description box and whose link is given in this box, description box. Students, now once again I explain this question, so understand carefully and try to solve, try to construct on your copy. Friends, here first of all, draw a line AB, take a point P outside it, that means using ruler and draw a line AB, here A and here B. AB is a line and point P is outside the line, not lying on this line. Here suppose a point P is here, here a point P, this is point P, and from a line passing through this point and that is perpendicular to this. For drawing the construction, first of all measure the, use compass and expand your compass more than distance of this line. Distance of this line is it, and expand your compass to this. Suppose here, and draw an arc with radius more than the distance of AB from AB. So students, here put and draw an arc. Here an arc is drawn. Here this is the arc whose radius more than the distance between P and line AB. Students, now here mark point P and here Q, and students, now with P as center and draw an arc whose radius more than the length of this arc, more than half of the length of this arc. Students, half of this means, suppose here it's half, more than half is that. So students, now draw an arc with P as center, draw an arc, and again with same radius draw an arc with center Q, put and draw an arc again as this here. Again students, now join this point P and the intersecting point. Students, here this line is perpendicular to the AB. Here its name is, suppose, sorry, here name must put M and here N. Here M and N. Students, here P and Q. Write the name, it's Q. Here PQ is the line, the required line, that is perpendicular to AB, perpendicular to AB and passing through the point P, passing through the point P. Clear, students? Now proceed in next question. Students, here question number 8 is written: draw a line AB, take a point P outside it. Draw a line passing through P and parallel to AB. In previous question, P is outside AB and you have to draw a perpendicular to AB from P. But here you have to draw a line parallel to AB. So first of all, draw a line AB. Here I draw a line here AB. AB is a line. And students, here suppose a point P outside the line, and take a point, any point here, suppose a point Q is taken on the line AB. First of all, join this Q and P. Join Q and P. Join PQ. And now students, you construct here at the point P in this direction equal angle to angle PQB. Here you have to construct an angle here. You construct an angle which is equal to the angle, this angle. Clear friends? And I think you know how will you construct a equal angle. Here first of all with Q as center, draw an arc. Here draw an arc. With Q as center, draw an arc. Similarly students, with P as center, draw an arc. Here I draw an arc. And length measure using compass. Measure the length of this arc. And put the compass here, fix and cut the reverse arc at this point. Friends, here this is and draw a line passing through this intersecting point at P. Here this line is drawn here P, here R and here S. Friends, here angle, here you construct angle RPQ is equal to angle PQB. Students, when you draw RPQ equal to PQB, then and join the line here. This is RS parallel. Understand? I think you know this symbol is used for parallel. RS parallel to AB. That means here RS line passing through P. So friends, here RS is the required line which is passing through P and parallel to AB. Clear friends? Similarly, you can solve all of the questions that will be given in your example exercise. Now proceed students in next question. Question number 9 is written. Draw an angle ABC of measure 60 degree. First of all, draw an angle ABC of measurement 60 degree. So first of all, here draw a line segment BC. And here given AB equal to 4.5 centimeter and BC is equal to 5 centimeter. You have to construct at point B an angle 60 degree. So first of all, draw a line segment BC, and at the point B you draw using compass and draw a curve, and first point here, this point is cut, and this is the angle of 60 degree. Here you draw a 60 degree and draw a line. Produce the line in both directions. Friends, this is the line here, and take a point A on this line. Here from B, expand your compass to 4.5 centimeter. AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. A is on this line. So friends, here AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. That means expand your compass by measuring from ruler and here 4.5 centimeter. Cut this line at this point. Student, this point is A. Mark this point as A. So it will be angle 60 degree. Here angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Here first of all I construct first angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. First of all draw angle ABC equal to 60 degree. BC equal to here 5 centimeter and AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. Clear friends? Now again through C, here C point is given. Through C draw a line parallel to AB. You have to draw a line parallel to AB. This is the AB line. So students, for drawing a parallel line you have to construct in opposite direction an angle 60 degree. So students, again here measure an angle 60 degree. Here you draw an angle 60 degree and join this line. Here this is the line C and here mark a point, any point. Here this is the line suppose its name is L. L is the parallel to AB. Here line L is parallel to AB. Line L is parallel to AB. Now students, here line parallel to AB and through B draw a line parallel to AC, and through D you have to draw a line parallel to AC. So now join third number one, join AC. Here you join AC. You joined AC. And now students, here at the point B, you have to draw an angle measuring here, suppose it's measurement, and you have to draw an angle in this side. Here in this side draw from point B, draw an arc here and using compass first of all draw an arc from here and at the same radius draw an arc from B in this side. Now students, measure the arc by using compass and cut the arc here at this point. Students, here here you have to construct the angle B 60 degree in this direction. From this direction you have to construct 60 degree. Here first of all draw as in an angle an arc equal to here you draw an arc and draw 60 degree. Here measurement of angle is 60 degree, so draw first point and join here this point. Students, here point, this line is M and here M is parallel to AC. This is the line AC. Here AC, M is parallel to AC and M intersect the L line. Here M line M intersect line L at point, here intersecting point is D, that point D. So students, here D is point. Now here intersecting each other at D, here intersecting point is namely D. And now measure the BD. Here students, you have to measure the BD when you construct by properly using ruler and compass, so your figure, your construction be correct, and after that in finally you measure the length of BD. Here when you measure the BD, you can write here the BD is equal to what? You can write by, if you construct carefully and correctly, then you can write here the measurement of BD. Here BD, measurement using ruler and measure the length BD. Clear students? Now proceed. Here question number 10. Draw a line segment AB equal to 6 cm. Take a point C on AB such that AC equal to 2.5 cm and draw CD perpendicular to AB. First of all, students, draw a line segment AB. Here, draw a line segment AB. AB here, AB equal to here, right? AB equal to 6 cm. 6 cm. Draw AB equal to 6 cm. Now take a point AB. Take a point C. Take a point C on AB such that AC equal to 2.5 cm. Students, measure from A and 2.5 cm. Suppose here C. AC equal to here you measure this AC equal to 2.5 cm. Clear students? Here AC equal to 2.5 cm. And now here draw CD perpendicular to AB. Here draw CD. That means here you have to draw a right angle perpendicular. So first of all draw here 60 degree, here 120 degree, and here cut, and here join this. Students, here point D. Here CD perpendicular to AB. Students, as you know that this is the symbol of perpendicular. CD perpendicular to AB. So here this is the construction of question number 10. Now students, proceed in question number 11. It's so simple. Draw line segment AB equal to 5.6 cm and draw the right bisector. Here students, what is right bisector? That means perpendicular bisector. And this type of question is already done in 1 or 2 number questions. Here perpendicular bisector, similar method you can use here. First of all, draw a line AB. Here draw a line AB equal to 5.6 cm. Here AB equal to 5.6 cm. And draw a right bisector. You have to draw bisector, right bisector. That means for drawing bisector, first of all, with A as center and radius more than half of the line segment. More than half of line segment, draw an arc above the line segment and below the line segment. And now with same radius, with B as center, draw an arc which cut previous arcs at this point and join this cutting points. Students, this is, suppose here C and D. Here CD is the perpendicular right bisector. CD is the right bisector of line segment AB. Line segment AB equal to 5.6 cm. Clear students? CD is the right bisector. Similarly students, you can draw perpendicular bisector, right bisector, parallel lines. So students, all of the questions given in your exercise 14A is completed. I think you try to construct all of the questions and send me your homework. So friends, today's class is over. I will meet you in next class. That's all. Thank you.